again. And just about the right amount, not too thick, not too thin. Yesterday I did this Swirl designs already with the Glitz gel polish. And today we added on the crystal. So you still have Swirl, but then having fun with your crystal placement. So don't forget the no web top coat. So a lot of you ask question that what is I'm using for crystal placement, and if you are having a troubleshooting, your crystal is keep falling off, it not stay well on, this condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gel, which is crystal trifecta, will definitely going to be your bestie on the next to the crystal kits. It's not only a double secure but also a triple secure. So I'm gonna add it on. I love this is crystal because it's when you okay, so on my angle I see it as a green and then turning kind of yellowish, but on the top the camera it just like top down it looks like more of orange. What does that look like on the top of the camera though?
It's like shiny gold, like something like a big fire burning in there.
Is it cool? It's like a rainbow look like a no? It's not like
no rainbow. It's just fire. It's really nice. Yeah, nice looking.
It's cool. But on my angle here, it's just angle. It's look like greenish.
Yep. So
like
if you
gold.
look at like 45, 60 degree angle, yeah, you see a lot of green in there. Just straight top down, or you see it's just golden fine yellow, maybe some orange.
Nice.
But yes, this crystal, different angle, gives you different vibe. Looks super nice.
So I'm gonna add some beads on, but hey, if you don't want any beads on, just keep it like really nice and simple. Definitely, when you're happy with this, you can adjusting it to make sure it's the right spot. You can adjusting it first before it cure, because it's not going to cure until you are going to place it under LED lights. So I'm gonna continue adding couple crystal the metal beads right between the crystals. Hey Tom, hey Mika, thanks so much lady for tuning in. I saw Robin in, probably Robins were working and watching at the same time. Thank you, Robins. All right, so let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with those Swirl, and now is even better. Okay, I'm gonna turn because it's my nails. I'm gonna turn this way because I want to make sure it's going right in the centers of my nails. I love it the best because the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat will give me the opportunity to like adjusting however I want with the crystal before I cure. So now I'm happy we are going to cure under LED lights for 30 seconds because we're gonna go back and do another ones. However, if you